Okay, so the title of the video is Crypto Nodes, is it worth it to buy them or not? And this is very important video if you ever or if you think to buy some crypto nodes. Now make sure you watch to the end. It's going to take just a few minutes and I'm going to go through few crypto nodes and I'm going to tell you how much they cost, how much you get in tokens, how much you're going to make if you go into day number one. And also, just to mention, very important, new crypto nodes, what I'm buying on day number one, what is extremely important to be in day number one in most of the token, in most of the crypto nodes, is coming next week with a huge back people, investors behind the scenes, and I'm extremely excited to bring to you on day number one. And the best stuff is it's not on Ethereum chain, you can buy on any chain, you don't need to pay freaking expensive fee. Okay, so let's go to the video. So let's go and let's explore few crypto nodes what I own, and that's why I can tell you, is it worth it to buy or not? And make sure you understand that some of the nodes I'm owning them, actually most of them, all of them, I have some of them, all right? I have few of them, just in case. You never know how much we can earn. Now, first thing first, in the nutshell, make sure you understand nothing here. Which one was this one is not financial advice. Do your own research and never ever put more money you can afford to lose. Also, I was just going to buy another node right now, but I was so busy, so I don't have the time. So maybe I will buy on Sunday and I'll make a full video. That's much cheaper nodes, and it's not day number one, but the token is coming very soon, so that's why I want to get in. So what's important to know about these nodes? Crypto nodes are existing for many years. Example for Gala nodes, we all know Gala nodes. Where is Gala nodes? Let me just go here. We all know Gala nodes, what was extremely, it's huge node still. I think right now the node costs like 90,000 bucks. That's why nobody buying. We have also like 3 Bull. We have Myria nodes, okay, that's also, but this one costs around 6,000 bucks. We have 3 Bull nodes that also cost 6,000 bucks. And how much you're earning, it's take time to ROI. You need to understand that all these nodes, what I'm mentioning right now, usually take months, sometimes can take even longer to ROI. But the good stuff is you earning tokens for the next 3, 4, 5 years, and it's called passive income. Okay, so let's go. First one I want to mention is Delysium. Why? Because I love the team. Okay, these guys are amazing. Delysium is coming with AI, narrative and gaming. Gaming was postponed to next year and I don't care. I care more for AI. Why? Because AI is the hot narrative, and also they did huge partnership with Microsoft. But that's full video for another video, full update for another video. Is it worth it to buy Delysium? Well, at the moment the node costs around 1,300. This called DMA. Make sure, by the way, you use my codes. 16,000 sold, and you earning, so it costs around 1,000, if I'm not mistaken, 1,025. There we go. Buy DMA. Let's go and find out. Oh, 2,700 bucks. Wow. The price went up because they selling. Why? You earning in the moment 20 tokens per day. If you compare with the price, what is 30 cents, that's around $6 per day. But if you zoom out, all-time high was just 2 months ago and it was around 70 cents, 67 cents. And don't be surprised, not financial advice, if this hit $1 with the AI narrative very soon in the next bull market. So if this hit $1, and if you accumulate tokens, 20 tokens per day, you're making around $20 per day. That's mean, let's say you hold for a few months time, that's mean in 1 month you're going to earn $600. If this is $1, when it's going to hit $1, that means you can ROI easy in 3-4 months time. Okay, in 4 months time, 4.5 months time. Now if the price stay like this, it's going to take you about 12 months time. Now that you need to take under consideration. What about if the price go $2 or $5? You never know how they will go. Again, don't forget, if you stake, you can still earn huge APR. If you want to buy the node, make sure you use my code. You get the biggest discount, if there are any discount right there. Next one I want to mention is Sonorus. Sonorus is also AI with the music, and that's the good stuff here. So AI and music can be very beneficial. What's mean the Sonorus, the price, if you zoom out right here, went around, it's come up around. So, oh, by the way, Delysium, if you go there day number one, when I mentioned, you're going to do ROI pretty much the first week. Why? Because the price shoot up from 2-3 cents listing price all the way to 30 cents the first 3 days time. So I did here around 5-6x so far, but I have a lot of tokens stake and I'm happy, and I'm just waiting for the price to hit again 60-70 cents before I take some profits, or maybe reinvest and get another node. But that's to me. Whatever you want to do, that's up to you. Sonorus, you earning around 40-45 tokens per day right now. The token price, the node price right now on one is, let's find out together. So if you want to buy right now, you need to go to DJ Node right here, 12,600 sold. And I believe the price, if you go to buy, I need to connect, I don't want to connect right now, is cost around 1,000 bucks right now. So you will see it was 600, but now because it's more sold, so you're getting around 40 tokens per day. I was late here, and I just ROI just few weeks ago, okay? And that's me because I was late there, but I'm happy. Now I'm earning tokens every day, and also one of the nodes I have stake, so that's mean I will do good APR in my stake token. Okay, so you earning 40 tokens per day. If you compare here, the all-time high was just around 2 months ago in March 18, it was 30 cents. So 40 tokens, 30 cents, that's are equal to 12 bucks per day. If you pay 1,000 bucks, it's going to take you about 110 days. It's only 3 months time if this hit back to all-time high. What about if the price hit 50 cents or maybe $1? Well, you can go into ROI much faster. At the moment, I'm just holding and I'm like doing accumulation of the token. If the price go down, well, it's going to take you much longer. But this is the things what you need to know, okay? Now, let's go to my next one. And the last one I want to mention, Galaxies. This was one of my also top favorite. Why? Because these guys are blowing up. They work with NBA. They work with Mike Tyson. They raise a lot of capital. The things what they don't like here, I was day number 1, by the way. The thing what they don't like, the listing price was not great. It was 0.003 cents, 0.003 cents, and now just blow up. I think blow up all the way from 0.9 around 40%, 124% in the last 2 weeks time. Okay, so I expect this price to be around 2 cents listing price, but it was around 8 times less. Okay, so maybe the team plays smart so the people can sell because they will just don't kill the liquidity, and now we can all go to the moon. But you never know, because the moon can be far away. Okay, so this is Galaxy, and they just have, they are what's called, this is their, it's live, so the platform is live. You can go and check, and this was live just a couple of days ago, and that's why the price is just going up to the right. Now, how many tokens you earn at the moment? The node sell cost, by the way, to buy the node, these nodes you just buy and hold them. Okay, I think the token cost, the node costs around 1,000 bucks right now. Okay, and you earning around 135 tokens, which means you earning only around 2 bucks on this price. But think about that. If you stake right now, the APR is around 200-300%. This depends how long you stake. Which means I stake for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months time. Now, I stake because, and I sold. And if you got here the day number 1, you're going to do around 50-60% ROI, and some people are not happy because they didn't ROI day number 1, and that's okay. I understand. We all expect we're going to ROI because of the listing price supposed to be 2 cents, not 0.02 cents, 0.03 cents. Okay, but doesn't matter. This is what's happened. I believe in the team in the long run. Why? Because they're a huge team behind the scenes, big investors, so they don't want to fail the project. These guys have a lot in the future, so let's see what will happen and how will happen. But now I'm just consideration, I'm just accumulation period for me. I'm not selling anything. When this bad boy go 3x from now, maybe right here when it's number 5, or maybe when we kill 1-0, maybe 1 cent, 10 cents and all that stuff, then maybe I'll do some more selling. But now I will just wait patiently. So you do the math, 1,000 bucks for the node, you're earning 2 bucks at this price. And this is just very new. If this price shoot up 5-10x from now, well, you earn 10-15 bucks. You do the math, it can take you a couple of months again, or maybe in the latest few months time. Now, again, remember, new node coming. It's coming next week. It's extremely very hot node, and the good stuff is you will be here day number 1. Why day number one is important? Because every day they're going to have equal amount of token giving to everybody who holds the node. So if you get day number one, if they're only sold 1,000 nodes, well, you're going to get much more tokens than if you get day number 110. Because if there are over 10,000 nodes sold, well, you're just getting 10 times less tokens, which is going to take you 10 times more time to earn the same amount of the tokens. That's why I'm going to go into this one, day number one. The second one, what I want to get maybe Sunday, I will just go there because it's cheaper. And I'm also into like few more, but I don't want to keep this video too long because it's going to take me like an hour. So that's why I just want to spread my risk everywhere, especially with a good project like this, like this, like this, and not the one what's coming. I definitely want to get there day number one and to hold nice for the next 5 years time. All right, thank you so much for watching, subscribing. Any links down in the description, make sure you use them because you'll get the best discount if they are anyone, and also get some small, very nice small kickback. And thank you so much for everything. Also, if you want to trade, by the way, I forget to mention, if you want to trade without any KYC, and if you want to copy trade, use for Fairdesk, go to Fairdesk, no KYC, go and trade. Great copy traders, by the way. I follow this guy from today. I follow one guy, but he had few losses after like 90 days, but it's called crypto. All right, so thank you so much. God bless. See you in the next one.